Hello guys, Rob here from the European Hypnosis Academy. I'm creating this video while walking because my presentation is about creating audio hypnosis recordings to use while walking. So your clients will listen to these recordings while they're outside for a good walk. So it's a very good combination, especially with things like weight loss programs. I actually give my clients, for every audio recording that I create, I give them the option. They can listen to it passively, like the usual audio hypnosis recordings, sitting in a couch or lying on a bed, or one that they can use while walking. And in my presentation, I will explain everything on how you can create these recordings, what music to use, how you make these recordings the best, and I even will give you an induction script that you can use to start creating these types of hypnosis audio recordings. See you in London, and I hope that you will join my presentation. Bye bye.